Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss how to calculate estimated glomerular filtration rate. For estimation of glomerular filtration rate, there is one formula, that is Cockcroft Gault formula. This formula is used to estimate creatinine clearance value. The creatinine clearance value will provide a reliable approximation of residual renal function in the patient of CKD. The normal creatinine value is 0.6 to 1.2 mg per dl. The formula is estimated creatinine clearance is equal to, for the male, 140 minus age multiplied by weight in kg upon serum creatinine value multiplied by 72. For the female, creatinine clearance value is equal to creatinine clearance value of the male multiplied by 0.85. That means the same formula multiplied by 0.85 for the female. Now we will discuss one of the sum. For example, age of a male patient is 60 years, weight is 80 kg, the serum creatinine value is 2.2 mg per dl. Now we have to calculate at what stage the person is having CKD. So estimated creatinine clearance value is equal to 140 minus age is 60 multiplied by weight in kg 80 kg upon 72 multiplied by serum creatinine value. Here the result is 40.40 ml per minute of body surface area. Now we will see in which category or in which stage does the person is falling, whether it is stage 1 or stage 2 of CKD. There are 5 stages of CKD, that is chronic renal failure. The stage 1 is denoting that there is kidney damage but the person is functioning or the kidney is functioning normally. The GFR value will be more than 90 or it may be normal, and the percentage of kidney function is 90 to 100%. Stage 2, kidney damage with mild loss of kidney function. The GFR value will be 89 to 60 and the percentage of kidney function is 89 to 60%. Stage 3A, it includes mild to moderate loss of kidney function. The GFR value will be 59 to 45 and the kidney will be functioning 59 to 45%. In stage 3B, moderate to severe loss of kidney function, the GFR value will be 44 to 30 and the kidney will remain functioning 44 to 30%. In stage 4, there will be severe loss of kidney functioning and the GFR value will be 29 to 15 and the kidney will be remaining functioning only 29 to 15%. In stage 5, there will be kidney failure. It is also known as ESRD, that is end stage renal disease. The GFR value will be less than 15% and the kidney will remain functioning less than 15%. So these are the stages of CKD. As the estimated value of GFR or creatinine clearance value will tell in which stage the person is having CKD. So in the sum we discussed, we calculated the sum as the value was 40.40. Now we will see in which stage it is falling. It is falling into the stage 3B. Okay. तो 3B के अंदर moderate to severe loss of kidney functioning is there. So the person may need the treatment like dialysis. So in this video we discussed about how to calculate value of GFR. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.